have to look at this.
Hey, I'm here at the 21st Annual Sportsman and RV Show at Cashman Field at Las Vegas, and coming inside here I see that there's a booth for Soldiers Angels, and who we have up here is Jenny Ford and Norm Boris from the Executive Council volunteering at the table. So Jenny, what Soldiers Angels, what's the organization all about?
Soldiers Angels is a non-profit, all-volunteer organization started by a military mom. Her name is Patty Patton Bader. She's a grandniece of General Patton. Just by coincidence, this all happened. She started the organization about 7 years ago when her oldest son was deployed to Iraq, and he received packages and notes from her, and her son told her that you know, Mom, we need people to send packages and notes because these people don't have anything. So she started getting friends to do this, and we've involved to many thousand. We're worldwide. We support all military and their families, and even the vets. We try to encourage people to help us remember the vets. We get them to maybe take on a soldier during a deployment. We have a program called Adoption if they want to take them under their wing and send them a card and a letter and a care package, or they can do a one-time letter, just send a letter to someone, or a letter to a chaplain, send coffee creamers to some outpost or some chaplain somewhere. Anything, school classes to kids to draw posters and all this too. And of course we take monetary donations to our national organization address. You can visit www.soldiersangels.org. And
I see you have some pins and wrist and actually little cards. The little cards are for people to actually go ahead and fill a thank you note out to the soldiers right now if they have time.
Yes.
And those get sent off?
We mail those to, just put cards in the box and mail them to any soldier or to some chaplain or to some specific address if we have a soldier's address. Everybody needs mail, and it makes them feel like that someone cares, that they're freezing, they're sleeping on the cold ground, you know, they don't get a bath. They, you know, very often they use handy wipes. Their meals or the MREs.
And those are not very tasteful.
We're very easy to support. A simple package of gum. If you go to a grocery store, buy something extra, extra pack of oatmeal or hot chocolate, a pair of socks. Simple thing is a pair of socks is just a wonderful commodity because they're in desperate need for socks, underwear, and just general
basic needs.
Care. Soap, toothpaste, toothbrush, anything helps.
Well, Norm, what's been the attendance here coming by the table so far?
Attendance has been actually quite good and very exciting. We actually have in the month of April about 700 soldiers coming home in the Las Vegas area. So we really want to get out and really welcome them home. Unfortunately, there are a lot of people stationed here in Las Vegas that really don't have families here, so we really want to help them and make them feel welcome. We'll have banners, we'll have signs, we'll have some tables set up for some refreshments for them as they get off the planes, some snacks.
That's excellent.
Yes.
And it's great to have a warm welcome home from coming back from a very isolated place, very hostile place. Much better than what the Vietnam vets got, and that's I'm sure they're all very, very grateful for that.
Soldiers Angels is a national organization, though each state has their own individual organizations. Today, John Tesh has donated about 600 CDs to distribute and give out for free for people to help bring awareness to the Soldiers Angels organization. So we really want to help thank John Tesh and all of the supporters, the thousands of supporters of Soldiers Angels.
Excellent, excellent. So if you're in Vegas and you're watching this, come on down. It's a free event at the 21st RV and Sportsman Show. Come down and fill out a card for Soldiers Angels. Send some of our troops some thank yous for doing a very, very difficult job.